Hello friends, let's start with our 12th Science Chemistry chapter number 10 halogen derivative. What are halogen? In periodic table, group 17 elements are known as halogen family, containing element fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine, out of which astatine is radioactive, and therefore we consider here only fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Derivative means derived from. So in this chapter we discuss about the halogen derivatives. What is meant by halogen derivative? Replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons by halogen atom or atoms which result in the formation of halogen derivative of hydrocarbons. For example, when methane undergo chlorination reaction, it forms methyl chloride. One of the hydrogen of methane is replaced by chlorine to form methyl chloride. If two hydrogen are replaced, then formation of methylene dichloride. If 3 hydrogen of methane are replaced, then formation of chloroform. And if 4 hydrogen of methane are replaced, then formation of carbon tetrachloride. Generally, we represent it as Rx. R means any aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon. X is halide group. This halide is the functional group. What is meant by functional group? It is the part of an organic molecule which undergoes change as a result of reaction is called functional group. X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Next point is classification of halogen derivative. Halogen derivatives are mainly classified in two ways. On the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. That hydrocarbon skeleton may be of alkane, alkene, alkyne or arene. For example, in alkane, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, then it is known as haloalkane. In alkene, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, then it is known as haloalkene. In alkyne, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, it is known as haloalkyne. And in case of arene, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen, it is known as haloarene. Second classification is on the basis of number of halogen atom bonded to hydrocarbons, either aliphatic or aromatic. If only one hydrogen is replaced by halogen, then it is known as monohalogen compound. See here, one of the hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Here only one hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Therefore, it is monohalogen derivative. In dihalogen derivative, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two halogen atoms. See in these examples. These are known as dihalogen derivative. First example is geminal dihalide and second example is of vicinal dihalide. Geminal dihalide, that means to the same carbon halogen is attached, and vicinal dihalide means to the neighboring carbon atom halogens are attached. Third type is trihalogen compound, in which 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 halogen. They are known as the trihalogen compound. In this chapter, in detail, we have to consider about monohalogen derivative. Therefore, see the classification of monohalogen compound. Monohalogen compounds are further classified on the basis of position of halogen atom and type of hybridization of carbon to which halogen is attached. So, hybridization concept we already study in chemical bonding chapter in detail, that is sp3, sp2, sp hybridization and the different examples related to it. See, first type or first classification of monohalogen compound is alkyl halide. It is also known as haloalkane. What is meant by alkyl halide? alkyl halide or haloalkane, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is the part of saturated carbon skeleton. Alkyl halide may be primary, secondary, tertiary depending upon the substitution state of carbon to which halogen is bonded. See the examples. These are the primary halide. Why it is known as primary halide? Because this halogen is attached to primary carbon. Why this carbon is known as primary carbon atom? Because it is bonded to only one other carbon atom, and therefore it is known as primary carbon, and this halide is known as primary halide. These are the secondary halide because halogen is attached to secondary carbon. Why this carbon is known as secondary carbon? Because it is bonded to two other carbon. Therefore it is secondary carbon and halide is known as secondary halide. Third, tertiary halide, because this halogen is attached to or bonded to tertiary carbon, because this carbon is bonded to three other carbon atom. See, these are the three other carbon atom to which this halogen is bonded, and therefore it is known as tertiary halide. Second classification is allylic halide. What is meant by allylic halide? Halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. See, halogen is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but next to it there is carbon-carbon double bond. These are known as the allylic halide. See another example. Benzylic halide. In benzylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. See, this halogen is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom and which is further bonded to aromatic ring. See another example related to it. Next classification is vinylic halide. What is meant by vinylic halide? In vinylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain. See, this halogen is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is the another example of vinylic halide. Next example or next type is haloalkyne. When halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom, it is a haloalkyne. See, this halogen bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom and therefore it is known as haloalkyne. And last classification is aryl halide, or it is also known as haloarine. In aryl halide, halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring. See, this halogen is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring, which is directly bonded to aromatic ring, and therefore it is known as the aryl halide or haloarine. So in this lecture you study about classification of halogen derivative. So try to identify the halogen derivative according to classification. Thank you.